Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to make stainless steel house number sign. As with every material and process, there's a cost and benefit when it comes to material and the process itself. Now in this case here, all the numbers have sharp outer corners, and that means plasma cutting is totally in. It works great for doing that. If the customer needed sharp inner corners like this here, but really sharp, then we can use the plasma cutter. We gotta use the water jet. Now when it comes to stainless steel, it's a lot more corrosion resistant than mild steel, but the surface finish and quality would be exactly the same. The disadvantage, I guess, of stainless steel is the cost compared to mild steel, but cutting one or the other is really makes no difference when it comes to machinery. Now the one nice thing about stainless steel is the surface quality is almost already there. If I wanted to achieve the same thing as like you see here, using mild steel, I'd have to remove the mill scale on it, which is a very hard surface coating that goes on the top and the bottom surface of it. So that's a lot of angle grinding that I didn't have to do. Now I started to do a little bit of angle grinding just to give it a nice even surface, as you can see here, and also to give it a bit of a polish. Now, as we do in more and more house number signs, we get into situations where the customer needs something specifically done to the back. Now, I never insult a real welder by calling myself a welder. So what I did is I put a tab in the back here with a washer. So basically what they do is they screw in with a masonry bit into the grout or the brick. Then they put in a plastic plug or anchor. And then after that, they screw in the screw. And I cut this with the angle grinder. Again, it's not the most pretty thing, but it's right on the back and you never notice it. And all you do is sort of slot it in this way and it holds the whole sign right up. Now again, I'm not a professional welder, so the weld is not totally amazing, but it does hold and it does stick. And here's the finished result of the stainless steel. Now this is 7/64 or 2.7 millimeters or a 12 gauge stainless steel. So it's got a nice thickness to it as well. And you can see the tabs in the back that make adhesion onto the wall really easy. I thought about this because there's a lot of different ways of doing it, and to me this seemed like the simplest solution to it, although it does require welding and a bunch of other tools to accomplish it. So if you're looking for a house number sign, custom to your spec, metal, wood, plastic, whatever you want, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you.